Here with Ford project, 66 Mustang. Started off life with a straight 6. Now we got a nice little 302 engine, automatic C4 transmission, 5-lug disc conversion in the front, which is wheelwood brakes, full Hotchkiss suspension, undercoated. Got drum brakes in the rear, American racing wheels. These are 17s, 17x7 front, 17x8 rear. New gas tank. Can't really see it that great. Car was painted in SoCal by a family member, a cousin of mine. And now I'm tasked with the job of putting it together. So, working on the wiring right now. Got the engine transmission mounted. Get everything wired up and see what it sounds like. More than likely we'll be running some Black Widow exhaust. Got the Dakota digital gauges. Still waiting for some of the parts to come from the body shop for the front, so I can put the headlights and grills and all that stuff in. But it's getting there. Been working on it for a few months now. Trying to wrap it up by the end of the next month. Thanks for watching.